Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're starting now. Towel dry hair to roughly 70% damp so the gloss spreads evenly. Once dry control is established, put on gloves and work in 4 sections for even coverage. Measure equal parts Redken EQ Gloss and the prescribed developer, because precise ratio ensures predictable deposit and shine. Mix in a non-metal bowl with an applicator brush, removing all lumps. This helps you apply smoothly without streaks. Make sure your workspace is protected and you have a timer ready. You'll work methodically. Start on the back subsections, applying the gloss to mid-lengths and ends first, because those areas often need more deposit. Once done, move to the roots and blend where the product meets previously colored hair so there's no line. Use 1/4-inch subsections and comb through each application to guarantee uniform saturation. That comb through also smooths cuticles for better shine. Process at room temperature for the label's recommended time, checking every 5 to 10 minutes to monitor development. Once processing is complete, rinse until water runs clear. This prevents leftover chemistry from altering tone. Apply the included conditioner for 1 to 3 minutes to seal the cuticle and boost slip, then gently towel and style with your usual heat protectant. If you notice banding or uneven tone after styling, don't panic. Reapply a thin root to mid or mid to ends touch-up where needed, or use a color depositing mask to even things out. Keep notes on time and ratio for next application, so you replicate success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.